Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing well and that you are settling into the new year. So today I have a quick, fairly easy DIY for you guys. I am working on a few projects, so I've been very busy working on some things for you guys, but I had this quick share that I wanted to share with you guys. So to get started, you are going to need some kind of a plate for your base for your table, and you're going to need these candle holders, and you're going to need these clear plastic terrariums, and you're going to remove the top. These are sold at the Dollar Tree. So you're going to remove the top, like I said. You want to clean everything with some alcohol. Just make sure that you remove any type of residue. So throughout this project, I cannot emphasize it enough, you're going to need your E6000 or your Gorilla Strongest Glue, as I'm using here, or your Fix-All, just some kind of a very strong glue along with your hot glue to create this table. That's what we're creating today, your table. And so now you're going to go ahead and glue your first candle holder, just the way you would sit it upright normally. Just the way it goes, just like that, with the widest part in the bottom. So now if you want to make this table taller, then probably this would be your opportunity to add another candle holder, or you can add a terrarium and then another candle holder, and so on and so on. But I'm gonna go ahead and glue my terrarium here. It has a flat bottom, as you can see there, and that's where I'm going to glue it together. But the table, of course, you can do it as short or as tall as you like. In the end, mine is going to be 22 inches tall. So as you can see, that flat part there, you want to glue it on. So very important, as you go ahead and assemble this table, you want to make sure that you have some kind of a leveler nearby so that you can level things out as you glue them, so that everything is upright and leveled in the end, so that your tabletop is not leaning to one side and that sort of a thing. So now I'm grabbing the candle holder and I'm going to place it on top upside down. And as you can see, I've used a lot of glue, so in the end, later on, I'm going to go ahead and cover all that up with some rhinestone wrap or some bling wrap. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab another terrarium, and with the flat bottom that it has, I'm going to sit it on top here of this candle holder, just like this. And again, just making sure that as I glue it, that everything is straight and upright and leveled. So as you can see, I ended up using a total of 3 candle holders and 2 terrarium. So this is going to be my top part, and we're going to glue it again the same way, upside down. So moving on to our top, I really did want to find a glass top for this, but I didn't have time, and I just ended up using what I always use. It's my pizza pans. So I went ahead and spray painted it black in any of the areas where it's going to show. The first one is going to be upside down. Please use your strongest glue for this. If not, it will come apart. So go ahead and use your strongest glue. For video purposes, I'm going to use my hot glue, but again, I really truly encourage you guys throughout this project to go ahead and use your strongest glue, because this is metal and it can come apart very easily. So yeah, I did want a glass top, but I didn't have time to find one, so I'm going to go ahead. You've seen me use this plenty of times in my previous videos when I created tables. When you glue this together, make sure everything is aligned and leveled once again. So now you want to go ahead and grab some string lights, some fairy lights from the Dollar Tree. I had this one on hand. I'm only going to use one, but I do recommend that you at least use 2 of them. So go ahead and wrap that around your plates or your pizza pans, all in there, and then go ahead and apply some glue just to kind of keep it in place. And you can go ahead and apply some glue every so often throughout the lights, just to kind of tuck it in and keep it in place. And when you glue your light underneath, always remember to do it correctly so that you have access to replacing your batteries as needed. Now you're going to go ahead and use your gems from the Dollar Tree. These are sometimes hard to find, so please, you guys, I have a lot of links where you can go ahead and order these gems. I've left the link for you guys in the description down below. Please, once again, use your strongest glue to adhere these diamonds. They do pop out if you don't use your strongest glue. For the video, I'm going to use hot glue, but believe me when I tell you, they do pop out. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to apply my gems all around as I tuck my lights in. And that's what it's looking like so far. Really pretty. So what you want to do now is that you want to grab your mirror, or it's a choice whether you want to use a mirror or not. I'm using this one by the brand Art Minds that you can find at Michael's. It's 12 inches. I really do love this mirror because it's very thin, very light. Go ahead and again use your strongest glue so that your mirror doesn't go anywhere. I do like this mirror because it's not beveled, it's not heavy, it's just very, very light. You can find this once again at Michael's. So here is our table base. I went ahead and applied the rhinestone wrap where you can see where everything comes together. You're going to go ahead and apply your glue here, and now it's time to go ahead and glue on your top. Just make sure that when you glue on your top that your light boxes are not in the way. You want to go ahead and make sure that that is centered. One thing that I did not do in this video and that I do recommend is that you go ahead and use another plate like you did in the bottom. Go ahead and place it on top, and then place your tabletop. Just for more sturdiness, for more security, I recommend another plate. And this is the way it turned out, you guys. I really do love the way that this turned out. I think it's absolutely beautiful. You know, obviously I left mine clear, but you can spray paint your top any color you want. The candle holders as well. Imagine the candle holders black against the clear terrariums. I think it would be absolutely beautiful. I think these terrariums are awesome. They are very solid, almost acrylic like a hard plastic, so they're just beautiful. And I think it made a beautiful table. This is so versatile. You can fill them with anything. Flowers coming right up, I'm going to show you. Rose petals, flowers, gems, diamonds, the lights, obviously the tea lights in there. The little holes that are on the side, you can stick a rose in there with the stem sticking out. There's just so many things that you can do. You don't have to use this as a table. You can double it up, and instead of using the tabletop, you can use kind of like those candle dishes and create a very tall standing candle holder. You can put a flower arrangement on top and use it for a party or wedding, a shower, anything. I think it's just beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if this is something that you will recreate. Again, mine is 22 inches tall. I think it went really well with my sofa at a good height. But again, this is so customizable and versatile for you guys. Again, I really want to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know where you would use it. Would you create more than one? Where in your home would you put it? Yeah, I think this is great. Please allow this to dry. So important. Allow this to dry 24 to 48 hours. Even if you have to create the table in parts, you definitely want to allow this to dry. But when it is dry, it's going to be very solid. If you use your strongest glue, this is not going to go anywhere. And again, I think it's just beautiful. I can't believe that we created this with Dollar Tree items. The only thing that's not from Dollar Tree is the mirror. Everything else is from Dollar Tree, and it looks like you would never know. And again, if you can find a tabletop, even better. A glass tabletop, that would be even better, just to kind of change it up, because I know that in my previous videos I've always used the pizza pans, but this would look beautiful with a clear glass top. And again, I recommend that you top it off with another plate underneath. just to give it more sturdiness. But anyway, you guys, I really do hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Please give me those thumbs up. Those thumbs up really help me out, and then let me know that you want more videos from me. I will see you guys very soon with another DIY. Thank you so much for watching and all your support. As always, I love each and every one of you. I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.